Before Rocky Knob in Watauga County, there was no legal mountain biking. Riders would come into town, kind of having heard about the riding around Boone, and go to the bike shops, go to the local areas and say, hey, where do we go ride? The bike shop owners would say, well, actually there was no actual mountain biking in Boone, which is kind of hard for people to believe after hearing about all the great riding in the mountains. So several people got together and started planning this idea to create a mountain bike park actually in Boone. I'm Christian Jackson, the trail boss at Rocky Knob Park, and I've been involved with the park for about 2 years now. Rocky Knob is just east of Boone, just a few miles from downtown. The Watauga County Tourism Development Authority and the Boone Area Cyclists, which was actually created about the same time that Rocky Knob was envisioned. Those two parties kind of got together and started seeking out funding to create our park here. Rocky Knob is a mountain. It's almost 4,000 feet of elevation at the top, and when we were thinking about designing this park, we really wanted a place where anybody that could ride a mountain bike could enjoy themselves on a bike. When we actually started developing the trails, we realized that we were dealing with a very rocky mountain, which did not lend itself to truly beginner trails. And so what we've created is kind of a playground for intermediate riders, maybe advanced beginners, all the way up to much more advanced trails.
My name is Jason Hightower, and I go to App State. I'm over at Rocky Knob Park because we've got something awesome going on for mountain biking in the area. Ever since Rocky Knob came into the scene, it's been a local community kind of effort, and the location is awesome. It's super close to campus, and everyone's out here on a daily basis practically riding and having fun. There's stuff out here that is for the extreme riders that want to jump off rocks, ride on narrow wooden features, or get some air-off jumps. And then there's also just awesome single track with great views around the corners. Rocky Knob is sick.
Works just like a knee. Present company excluded in the night. Present company included in the fight.
Rocky Knob Park is open. We're expecting great conditions this summer. Hope to see you out on the trail.